Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 36. The correct expression for the potential at a point, distance r from a charge q in an electric field is A. Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r square, B. Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r, C. Q square over 4 pi epsilon naught r square, D. Q square over 4 pi epsilon naught r. Now, electric potential is the work done in taking a unit mass of charge from infinity to a point, to a particular point. Now, that's actually giving us W over Q. That is the work done. Okay, W over Q. So FR over Q. Okay, so that's actually equal to Q1 Q2 over 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant multiplied by r over Q1. So all in that, for a charge Q, that will be equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r, as this will cancel out this and r will cancel out one of these r's. So our Q2 is equal to a charge small letter q, hence you have this equation. So Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r is option B. So B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.